boy, the odor, guys. The odor. Hold on. Now my freaking. There's my lights back on. Yeah. Got the sump pump on, but I gotta kind of sit here and babysit it now. Because it's so, this down here, it's so clogged up that this keeps kicking off. That's why there's always stagnant water in here. It definitely doesn't take it all the way down. Now, this is the inside of the tub that we're removing today, the inside of the beautiful jacuzzi. And I thought it was cemented. It's not cemented. There's the edge of the tub. A lot of nice hair. Oh my god, you guys. I'm going to try to get this all done so that Dana doesn't have to deal with any part of this. There's some bricks down in there for some reason too. I don't know what the point of the bricks are. But I'm going to have to sit here for a few minutes and babysit this, guys. It is going down. It is going down. But now that we've got this, all the rock broke apart from around it and all of the cinder blocks out. Nice though, we do have some shut-off valves there. So as soon as I'm done with this, then I'm gonna go out next and we'll be getting the shop vac and trying to suck out any last little bit of water out of this bathtub. But the sludge in there, I'm hoping the sludge stays in it. It's dry around the edges at least. It's pretty crusted on there. Somewhat dry. But this thing is coming out today. And then hopefully we'll have a shower in this corner today. I don't know. Worst case scenario, I will, if I have to, worst case scenario, we'll get a couple of 2x4s and lay them down here, just like this in the corner, wherever the drain's at, as long as the drain's functional, and I'll run a couple of water pipes over and put the damn shower faucet right up on the wall if I've got to. So, one way or another, I'm going to get something going today. Actually going down pretty good. Pretty good. But we might need a hand with this. And usually old Chainsaw McGraw my neighbor down here doesn't get up until pretty late. I hope I don't lose my phone in here. If I lose my phone in here, I'm done, guys. It's gonna go up. Look at that nasty shit just. Oops, see, it's kicking off again. Now we get to do this again. And you have to hold it up. Yeah, oh, come on. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Yeah, the stench is unbelievable. And I'm not smoking a cigarette. That's just steam from the funk down in there. And probably a lot of powdered mold that I'm knocking off back up in this area. Oh my god. Yeah, it's stinking much worse now that it's getting really low. Yeah, poor Dana's just going to be puking his brains out today with this part. So, this one's on me, at least this part of it. Like it looks like something's alive over there in the corner. I see it steaming. Funk steam. All kinds of treasures in there. Oh boy. It's getting better. Oh, try to focus this. Oh, this. Alright. Well, this will give you an idea. There's 2 bricks sitting there. And the sludge is up to the top of the bricks in the corners. Ugh. Well, I'm going to go get the shop vac next. Actually, I'll probably wait for Dana. Next, I'll get these unhooked, and then we'll set up the tripod for you guys. And then then the next order of business will be tearing out, well, we'll get the shut-off valves shut off. I can't shut the water down yet on the toilet from hell, the toilet of destiny. Can't shut the water down yet because Dana has yet to do his morning poo-poo. Once Dana does his morning poo-poo, then we'll shut the water down, because when we get into tearing this platform out, that'll go into the back of the truck and down to the burn pile. What's up, buddy?
You down there pooping?
No, I'm not pooping. I'm waiting for you to poop.
Oh, I don't have to poop.
You're not pooping today?
Oh, probably not.
How in the hell can you not poop today? You ate like 3 pounds of jambalaya.
I know, but this is,
What do you like? You're one of them people that shits like every day or two?
yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, every day, 2, 3 maybe.
Okay.
I'm not like an everyday pooper.
Yeah.
That's why when I go and do poop, it's like...
An hour.
James, if you're going to use the bathroom, buddy, I'll get down there and go to the bathroom, because I'm going to be in there for an hour.
Well, I got it drained down as far as I can, bro. With the sump. So... yeah, you want to see? It's bad.
I don't know if I want to see.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. That video does.
Well, it had water in it before. You couldn't really see.
There is no justice in there.
No.
That was a red brick.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was telling them. It's like, it'll tell you how high the sludge is up because it's actually up to the edge of the brick.
That is, oh my god.
So, yeah, I'm gonna.
Is that, what is that orange thing? Is that the Angry Bird?
There's a bunch of little toys and stuff up in there.
Oh.
And there's more. Yeah, there's more toys up in there.
How many subscribers are you up to?
A little over 3,000.
So the 4,000th subscriber is going to get that Angry Bird.
Dude, no, that's why I'm not getting any subscribers, is because you keep saying that you're going to give them the shit that comes out of here if they subscribe. You got to give them something good.
Who wouldn't want that Angry Bird? He is angry down there.
He's stanky bird.
It's one of the angriest bird I've seen.
Oh boy. So, yeah, I'm gonna do these, Dana. I'll wait for you to get your tripod and your coffee and all that shit.
I
but
need a couple more coffees.
I'm just gonna do the shut-off valves, and I'm gonna unhook it.
Yeah.
So that we can take the tub and take that down. Well, we'll probably take that out to the barn.
Yeah, yeah, that's a good tub. There's nothing wrong with that tub.
So.
That would make either like a good water for animals.
Well, yeah, and I'm gonna get animals, so we'll just have to plug the hole at some point with something. But no, it'll be a good water tub for the animals.
Yeah.
Or a pond, like I had a couple people say, but.
Well, you're going to make them big ponds.
I'm going to make big ponds, but I'm going to have little ponds all over the place, too, in the little seating areas.
Yeah.
So, well, I'm going to do that, because this is easy shit, bro. So, I will, while you're having your coffee, I'll just get this unhooked, get those shut off and unhooked, and I'll get the sump pulled. Okay?
I got to go find my glass.
Well, no, I don't think I can. Oh, yeah, I can pull the sump. I'll just... pull the electric through and then pull the sump out of the hole. Or do you want me to wait for your video? Because I gotta pull that sump pump out.
You're gonna see the stuff come out of there.
Okay.
That is.
Yeah, we gotta make sure we get content for both of us.
That is. Dude, look at the sludge buildup on that.
Oh, dude.
Oh my god, bro, dude.
We need to. I would love to send that in for testing to see what that is. Oh boy, caca. Oh boy, caca.
That's a lot. Ew. Oh my god.
It smells worse than septic, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
Is that money?
No, I think it's a wrapper.
Oh, okay.
Shit that's gone down there from
I
people.
thought that was going to be like a lucky quarter or something.
There ain't nothing lucky about that if it's a quarter.
Oh no! If that quarter comes out of there and it's still together, that is a lucky quarter.
That's true. Well, obviously it isn't corrosive.
Yeah.
The metal withstood it. But I'm wearing them, man. I don't even put gloves on normally, but I got them. You're starting to puke already.
Yeah.
You better get your coffee down before we get going.
Yeah.
It's bad, huh?
Yeah.
It's bad.
I gotta go get my gloves.
Yeah.
We need a hazmat suit. The full
Yeah.
helmet and all.
The one like when the zombies are coming one.
Yeah.
Yeah, the full on one.
This might produce the next zombie apocalypse.
It could be.
If somebody gets into this stuff.
Oh, dude. Yeah. You know it's bad if I put on a mask because I don't wear masks. It's got to be real bad. Oh, man. Just looking at it makes you want to take a shower, doesn't it?
It does. I'm trying to stay away from it at the moment. I want to be able to drink coffee.
All right. Let's have another coffee.
Yeah.
And then we'll do it.
Yeah.
And we'll do it to it. I was telling him, worst case scenario, man, we'll throw up 2 2x4s like you were talking. Throw 2 2x4s down on the floor, seal it up over the drain, and stick a shower nozzle on the wall, whatever we got to do. Oh, boy. Oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy.
You can get creative with it that way.
Yeah.
You know, look at this
Yeah.
house. This house is
Oh,
good
yeah.
character. You can
Yeah, we can pile all that
go
stone
like
around.
like that. It's little swirly whirls and
Well, let's go drink coffee, Dana.
turn it into like a little big flower.
No.
What are them flowers that you were out there picking that day for making tea?
Oh, the echinacea?
You can make it. You can make the pan like an echinacea flower.
Oh.
Paint it the same colors.
The purple echinacea bath area.
Yeah, and then what we'll do is we'll build a platform, right? And then we'll do it on the platform.
No more freaking platforms, man. All right, let's go have coffee and tear into this bastard.
This is how this has been built. This is what happened. They got into this stuff and it started, the fumes started messing with their minds. And then this is what happened.
This is what happened. All right. Well, I'm going to go have one more cup too, I think. This is one of them projects where it's just like you don't even want to start.
Yeah, it really is.
You just don't even want to start. But we're going to be really happy when it's out. But we might need a Josh, dude. You know how heavy that freaking tub's going to be under there with that slime all over
really
it?
Heavy. That's going to be really, really heavy.
It's going to be a heavy-ass tub to begin with because it's the jacuzzi tub and it's got all those attachments all over it.
I want to get that bar and like pry it up and see how heavy it is, but I don't know if I dare to.
No.
We don't need to break any kind of seal at the moment.
No. Yeah, first order business, take the platform off. You know what, though? That freaking platform is actually in pretty damn good shape if we needed it for something out there.
Yeah.
Try to keep that in one piece maybe and just...
Oh, it seemed like it would come up.
It's going to come up.
Oh,
Yeah. So, that can be utilized for something or another. Somewhere on the farm, I guarantee it.
yeah, some sort of animal pen.
Yeah. For the goats to climb on.
Goats
maybe.
to climb on. And
Something
goats
like
love
that.
jumping on stuff.
Yeah. You know what else would be really good? I can just... I'll think about it. I gotta get my damn phone on the charger, man. I forgot to throw my phone on the charger last night, so I'm down to like 8%.
Yeah, you better
So I'm
get it on.
gonna get this video uploading while we drink some coffee. And then, folks, what round are we on? Round 4?
Something like that, I think.
Round 4? Round 4-ish? Oh, man. All right. Well, coffee time. Let's have some coffee.
Yeah,
Let's have some coffee. I need to check on Louie. Oh. You going to try your first Keurig cup today?
Oh, I don't know.
You at least try one.
All right, I'll try one. Seeing as it was a special gift, I'll try one.
Since it's a special gift. All right, let's make sure Louie's still alive. Oogie Doogerson. Oh. Da-da. Da-da. All right, I'm sorry, buddy. You can go back to sleep. All right. All right. Upcoming more videos.